Are you looking for the perfect blooms for your shade garden? Shade gardening is an art, and choosing the right plants is key to creating a beautiful oasis. This video will explore some of the best blooms for shade gardens. Let's dive into the world of shade-loving blooms. First, understand the type of shade in your garden. There are three main types: light, partial, and full shade. Light shade occurs under open trees or structures, allowing some sunlight to filter through. Partial shade indicates areas that are shaded for part of the day, while full shade refers to spots that receive little to no direct sunlight. Recognizing your garden's shade patterns is crucial as it directly influences plant growth. Now that you've got a grasp on your garden's shade, let's explore some blooms that thrive in these conditions. Welcome to the realm of shade-loving blooms. Let's dive right into the top performers that'll add a dash of color to those cool, shady corners of your garden. First up, we have the hostas, a versatile plant with lush foliage that thrives in the shade. Their large, heart-shaped leaves create a dense carpet of green, providing an excellent backdrop for other flowers. Next, we have the hydrangeas that are known to steal the show with their large, round clusters of flowers. In the shade, they produce vibrant blooms in an array of colors, from deep blues to pinks and purples. And then, there are the ferns. Their delicate, feathery fronds bring texture and depth to a shade garden. Ferns are perfect for creating a tranquil woodland feel in your garden. Last but not least, the astilbes. With their feathery plumes and fern-like foliage, they thrive in the shade and add a touch of whimsy to any garden. With these blooms, your shade garden can be as vibrant and colorful as any sun-drenched landscape. Transforming your shade garden starts with choosing the right blooms. Grasping your garden's shade and picking suitable blooms are crucial. Feel free to experiment with different plants to discover your garden's perfect fit. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!